so inspiring, right? And when everything was against you, what kept you going? What was that one belief that you had? You know, that you feel everything around me is not supporting me, but I have my dream and I know I can get it. So what is it that you felt what was there inside you? What was that belief which you helped you to achieve this?
I would say thank you for having me over here and in front of the huge gathering over here. Can I see the excitement, guys? So first of all, I would like everybody to say, let's say Jai Hind together, okay? Jai Hind! मजा नहीं आया? लग रहा है कि लंच अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, ये ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं अच्छा हुआ है. Once again, Jai Hind! अभी भी लगता है उधर से भी शुरुआत की है और एनर्जी आ सकती है. Once again, Jai Hind! Now it's nice. अब लग रहा है. So I think I'm very happy to be over here in front of everybody over here and to share my journey and what life has brought on my way and how I have dealt with the challenges and all. Like you asked me about my journey to the Olympics, and I think always it's as an athlete we always dream कि ओलंपिक्स हर एथलीट का सपना होता है, क्वालिफाई करना, इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना और मेडल्स लाना. Similar was mine when I stepped into badminton, and I think challenges are a part of life. We all face through major up and downs, and I think it's the mental strength that we fight through those challenges and we think of aiming to our higher goals and keep on going. Because कभी भी लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं होता कि हमें चीज़ें बहुत आसानी से मिलें. The challenges are a part of it, and I have personally in my entire journey I have faced through a lot of challenges. Talking about it, I would say when I was born I had a disability in my hand, and I didn't know of making my career in sports. But eventually when I met my coach Gaurav sir outside a mall in 2017, and then me thinking to step up into the sport and picking up the racket and starting the entire journey back in 2018. So I think it's a lot more things that have changed, and on the way with my performance, with my achievements, I have gone through a lot of stages, and but I think the life never stops, and here I am today. And so I think, yeah, we need to be mentally strong to tackle all things.
So, when you were going through your journey, a lot of people might have doubted you. And अगर आपके आसपास के लोगों को उनके से आप पे विश्वास नहीं रहता है, फिर you also start doubting yourself, right? And it's so important in this journey to have that self-confidence. So did you go through such phases, and if you did, how did you keep your your motivation going, yourself very focused and clear that this is where I want to be?
Well, talking about doubts, I think, yeah, everybody has doubts. We never know, because life is so uncertain and life is so unpredictable. We never know which all situations we may have to go through in our life. And similar with me, I started up playing para-badminton and I started up playing sports since 2018. And in 2021 at the Tokyo Paralympics, I was the youngest athlete to qualify for 3 categories in the world. And where I finished 4th in mixed doubles. And following with that, we had Asian Para-Youth Games. I played over there. I won 1 gold and 2 bronze medals. And alongside, when I was competing in one of the events in Dubai, I was already going through an injury in my leg, which was further in 2022 diagnosed with a bone tumor. And I also had to undergo a surgery for emergency the same. at that moment, when you are top in the world, I entered in the top 5 world rankings in the world. And it was always like, what's next for Pala? So I was just looking for my next big goals, and we were training harder for our next targets. And but this sudden situation, I had to go for surgery in an emergency for the same. And 1.5 years, I was completely out of the tournament circuit. I could not compete. I was on rehab, and then later onwards, I also had some issues with the recovery and the impact the tumor and the cancer has left on my leg. So when I think, challenges never stop. And after 1.5 years in 2023, I played my first event in Brazil, where I was back on the podium with 2 bronze medals. And in the very first tournament of comeback, I defeated the world number 3 over there. And then I continued again, rebuilding my world ranking again from scratch, making it to the Paris Paralympic Games, and then to the World Championships, where I won a bronze. And still, I would say life has never stopped challenging me. There have been too much of challenges on the way. And just 2 months back, we had our Asian Para Badminton Championship. It's an event that happens once in 4 years. And while playing the finals over there in my singles, I had won the first set. I lost the second with a very close margin. And during the third set, I was in a lead of 11-10, where a jump and I twisted my knee. And I had to recently have gone through a surgery for an ACL reconstruction and MCL and PCL repair in my right knee, So I think challenges have never been over. It's a part of it, but with the support of my family, my friends, my coaches, and everybody over there in our academy and the facilities that we have, I think it helps me to trust myself again. And I think to everybody over here, I would say challenges are part of life. And if I will say you कि अपने हाथ पे एक बार pinch करो, so I would like everybody to pinch on their hand once. दर्द हुआ होगा थोड़ा, कुछ फीलिंग आई होगी. That is वो एक निशानी है कि हम सब alive हैं. पेन होगा, challenges आएंगे. It makes life more meaningful. So I think it's a part of life, and it's all about the perspective that we look towards it. अगर हम हमारे माइंड में पॉजिटिविटी सोचे कि हमें वो चीज़ हर्डल को कैसे पार करना है, the mind will work in that direction. It will give us the directions कि वो hurdle कैसे पार होगा. और अगर हम ये सोचे कि हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो जो mind है वो भी हमें 1000 reasons बता देगा कि हम क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे. So it's all up to our mind, and I think we all go through up and downs in our life. And जब downs होते हैं तभी up जाने में मज़ा आता है. And so similar is life, and similar is in my case also. So I'm working hard again on the rehab, and I will be back.
Wow. That is so inspiring, and what you just said, that challenges or the pain of a challenge means you're alive. And, all the examples that you gave about, having those challenges and picking yourself up and running again, because the goals are still there, right? You still want your next thing and your next thing and next thing, and challenges just keeps you going. So very inspiring, because I think in this hall, everybody here has faced so many challenges, and they have displayed resilience. They have again, sort of picked themselves up and started their journey all over again, and won, in whatever goal or, right wherever they wanted to be. So, such an amazing sort of examples from your end. Now, behind win, there is of course discipline, and not just discipline in your work and you as an athlete, of course discipline as a part of your everyday life, but it's also discipline in terms of fueling your body. What is the nutrition that you're taking? What is it that you're giving your body so that it is ready to take on that challenge and to be with you as you know go through life and try to achieve what you want to achieve, where you want to be. As an athlete, what is your thoughts on that?
See, as an athlete, it's not only important for us to train ourselves physically, mentally, it's also important for us to take care of the nutrition and the food we take in, the fuel that we give to our body. You know, then only the body will have that energy to fight the next match, to win the next point, and the body will give the brain the signal, you know, yeah, it can fight. So, I'm fortunate to have Herbalife with me, of course, and it has been a major game changer in my life. And so I don't need to think much. I have so many products to take care of my health. And as an athlete, we have so many tough sessions a day. And after those sessions, it's very important for us to take the right quantity of the protein too, so that our muscles and they are rebuilt. And you know, for that I take my Herbalife Rebuild, and yeah, to help me to maintain that thing. So having Herbalife with me, I don't have to think much about my nutrition. So it completes me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My next question actually builds on that because we know that you've been a user of the, especially Herbalife Sports Nutrition, right? And it's been very much part of your journey as an athlete. So, you know, how does it help you with your performance and recovery? You know, you touched upon some of it, but would you like to speak a little more on that?
Yes, definitely. Because we have so many matches whenever we go for any international tournament, and any athlete, whether they go for international tournament, many of the children, I would say, they go out for training to play. We get our muscles to get tired, so it's very important to have the right food that fuels you up to recover faster, to help you to perform better. And for me personally, we go for tournaments like playing 3 events at one tournament, having back-to-back matches. It's very important to maintain your stamina. So for that, like I have Herbalife Hydrate 24 to help me in between the matches as well, so that I can maintain my energy levels. So yeah, I think it plays a very important role for me to be on the winning side and to see the tricolors soaring high and to hear the national anthem as well at the biggest stages of the world.
So, this is so important, right? Right nutrition, having the right kind of diet is so important to your, you know, finally to even achieve whatever is the goals that you're trying to get to. So, Palak, you've been part of the Herbalife family for some time now. What has that journey meant to you? As you know, so we were sort of with you in part of that journey. So, what has your association with Herbalife meant to you?
To be very honest, I love to be a part of this community, and today whenever I'm here, I'm sure that there's so many people over here who are listening to me and you know, knowing about my journey. They're also gonna be a part of knowing me and then more promoting the para sports as well. And सही कह रही हूँ ना मैं? Are you guys listening?
Yes.
जोश तो नहीं है, लग रहा है बाहर स्टॉल्स पे थोड़े Herbalife के आप लोग लेकर आओ शेक्स वगैरह. Yeah. So where we were talking about.
Yeah, you were talking about your journey with Herbalife and
Yes.
what it has meant to you.
Actually, it's not just the journey that plays an important role as for me as an athlete, but I think as an individual also, to inspire others, because what wellness is the foundation of success. If we are fit, you know, if we are having the right food, we are more fit, and then we can do multiple tasks at a longer period of time in our age, and we can deliver products more, and we can live healthily. So we say health is wealth, but people don't follow that. So I think it plays an important role in that area, which enlightens the life of people to live longer, to stay strong for longer, and in fact to do their work with more intensity or maintain that intensity at the elder age as well. So I feel myself to be blessed with the power of this community and of course the products that Herbalife has and the impact that it creates on each individual's, the transformation that helps to change people's life, whether in losing the weight or gaining the weight, whatever the concerns, and most importantly making you fit and healthy. I think it's a all combo work.